What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Pathfinder remote key fob. This Nissan Pathfinder key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing you want to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we hold our fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, you can see there's these two notches right here and here that the end of the screwdriver are touching. What I'm going to do is stick my screwdriver in that notch, and I should also mention you want to use ideally a screwdriver that the blade fits in that notch. So I'm going to put my screwdriver in that notch and push it in, make sure it's all the way pushed in like that, and then I'm going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, it starts to split the shell apart. I'll come over to this side and just keep it going. Once you get that far enough apart, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. There's a little cutout in this plastic battery holder that you can use to get your screwdriver under and get under the edge of that battery. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to install that with the battery facing down. So the plus side is going to be facing down like that. Then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.